Right, hi there. So this is just going to be a quick video. At the moment, Aldi's got a lot of sales on, even on their special deal things that they have on there. So I went and had a little bit of a splurge and got myself a scroll saw. These are £59.99 at the moment. I have been wanting one for quite some time, and this is a rebranded Shepak, so with the Workzone name on it, so it should be reasonably good. And obviously all these things come with, the tools anyway, come with a 3-year guarantee with them, so if anything goes wrong with them, take them back, get a refund, or if they don't work in the first place, take them back and get a refund. So these here, this is for the angle grinder, a sanding pad, that was £1.99. Wire cups, they were £1.99. This wire wheel here, that was £1.99. This spot blaster, this was £6.99. It comes with 2 kilos of blast media with it, and if you look online, the actual blast media costs more than the actual Workzone spot blaster kit, so it may be worth getting a couple of these if you're interested. Not sure what it's like yet, haven't used it. I'll probably make a quick video on it possibly. Air shears, I did have a quick go on these, they seem to be pretty good. These were £9.99, reduced from 20. And then air reciprocating saw, comes with some blades, looks good. This was £6.99 as well. As with Aldi's, once this is sold out, it might not come back for 6 months or more, so if you're interested in getting any of these, I would definitely go to their store or get online now and order them. So just a quick look at some of the stuff on the Aldi store at the moment. The one thing, I don't need one, but someone might. There's an air compressor there. It's £69.99 now rather than £79, which is a pretty good price I think for a 25 litre air compressor. It's pretty much the same as my one actually, except mine's a 50 litre. Everything else looks the same, and I've had mine now for a couple of years and it's been working really well. There's an inverter, 2000 watt inverter petrol generator there, which I mean I thought even at £289 was a good price, but it's down to £199, so that could be a good buy for somebody. I'm not sure what it's like, couldn't say, but as I say, it's got a 3-year warranty with it. If it doesn't work, take it back. And I've got various other things. I've got this brushless drill driver here, which was £50 and it's now down to £35. Maybe worth getting one, say if you already got one and you need a spare battery, could be a possibility. And then there's also this little drill driver here, which takes the same batteries as that oscillating multi-tool that I purchased a while back. I was thinking about getting this, but I've already got a small drill driver. I don't really want to get another one, but it may be worth getting it for the battery. Might do possibly, not sure at the moment. Mini bench grinder, I have actually got this. It's not too bad, it vibrates a little bit though, but it also comes with the flex drive shaft on it as well, so you can put like little Dremel bits in there and use it as a rotary tool. I am quite interested in this bandsaw here, but I just haven't got any space for it. 150 quid, they're quite good. You don't often see these in the UK actually, and if you do, they're quite expensive. So yeah, it's a metal cutting bandsaw as well, so yeah, quite like that. And there's my scroll saw, £59.99. And we've got various sanders on there and other stuff. Yeah, so if you're interested, there's those air shears that I got, £9.99 from 15. They've got various tools on there that will reduce. There's that spot blaster, £6.99. There's that sanding bit for the grinder. They've got grinders on there as well for £20, which look pretty good, but I don't really want one at the moment because I've already got 3 going. There's a multi-function tool there for £20. There's an angle grinder, £20. Yeah, that's about it, I think. Anyway, go and take a look at Aldi's. There might be something there you want. They've got homewares and also clothing and all that as well. Got some discounted prices on, so yeah. Yep, okay, so that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Please comment down below and subscribe. Bye.